Today we will build a simple aerodynamic aeroplane using a pencil and a coke tin and a worn out vehicle's tire, a sharpener and a turbine. So for this, first we will sharpen our pencil in order to fix the turbine. So once it has been sharpened, next we will take a turbine and fix it in front of the pencil like this. So once it has been fixed, next we will keep this, and the coke tin of the coke, we will cut it and make it like this, and after that cutting with the scissor correctly so that it fixes everywhere. Once it has been done, hold it properly like this. Once it has been folded, cut the extra portion of this and fix a tape like this. Once it has been done, the wing has been ready. See that the wing is thicker at the front side and thinner at the this end side. So once it is been done, see that the air easily passes here. Once it is been done, bend it little bit so that the front air flow breaks once it goes above these wings. So once it is been done, next we will take the pencil and we will fix a two-sided tape to it. We will take a two-sided tape like this, cut it. Once it has been cut, fix it over the pencil in a round shape like this. Once it has been fixed, fix the wings tightly to this. Once the wings are being fixed, it should be in an equidistance from both the sides. Once it has been fixed, it will take a two-sided tape like this and make a back wing. So once it has been done, design a design over the wing. once it is been designed, fix the turbine to it, and after this take this and fix a two-sided tape over the vehicle and mount this. Fix the turbine